Welcome. Kindly subscribe to YouTube channel and follow on Facebook page at Dr. Zabby's Talk Show.
Aki gbogbo wa nílé lóko lẹ́yìn odi mo kí wá gbà kú ojú ọjọ́ ṣe rí mo kí ẹ̀yin ìyá mo kí ẹ̀yin bàbá mo kí ẹ̀gbọ́n mo kí àbúrò èmi ọmọ yín náà ni ayé ọpẹ́ yọ ṣe yọ lọ́dọ̀ títí náà ní agbára lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ayé ọpẹ́ àwọn yọ fún wa lórí ọmọ lórí ìdáwọ́lé wa òun láyé ọpẹ́ ló máa fi máa lò anirogun àkóbá o anirogun àdábá àbúrò oníṣẹ̀lẹ̀ sí wa o Nàìjíríà burú oníṣẹ̀lẹ̀ sí èmi àti yín no going back ni ó mà ṣe o why tí ò tiẹ̀ wá sí good news gangan ẹ mọ reason tí ó ṣe sí good news torí wípé ilẹ̀ ó ń bínú sí àwọn tó ń darí wa òkè ń bínú sí wọn àárín méjì ayé ń bínú sí wọn agbede méjì ayé ń bínú sí wọn orí àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké ń bínú orí àgbàlagbà ń bínú orí ọkùnrin ń bínú orí obìnrin ń bínú ó mà ṣe o tó bá jẹ́ wípé tó bá jẹ́ pọ́n mọ̀ ni gẹ́gẹ́ báwọn ṣe sọ wípé ẹ lọ máa lọ tó ń tàn wọ́n ẹ máa lọ sí àwọn ìlú kan lọ máa ṣe prayer tó bá pé àwọn mọ̀ ni wípé lótìtọ́ àti òdodo lọ́lọ́run táwọn sọ yẹn ni o wípé ló wà Ọlọ́run tí òyìnbó tó gbé wá fún wa yìí wípé ló exist a máa tọrọ ojoojúmọ́ náà máa ṣe pé kọ́lọ́run Elédùmarè ẹlẹ́dàá gbogbo àwọn tó ń kú láìpọ́jọ́ àwọn tí ó wà nínú àárẹ̀ tó dẹ̀ jẹ́ wípé wọ́n ní ìkápá ẹ̀ láti lè ṣe ìrànlọ́wọ́ fún wọn tó bá yẹ pé wọ́n mọ̀ ni àwọn yẹn gangan náà bá máa ní kán ṣàforíjì fáwọn pátá tó máa sọ wípé ẹ gba owó ẹ wá lọ travel kẹ lọ gbàdúrà so that ẹ̀yin tẹ́ rán wọn lọ àdúrà máa lè bá yín ṣé bó ṣe rí nìyẹn náà bó ṣe rí kọ́ nìyẹn. àbúrò ò ní ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wa ó ti tán pátápátá bọ̀ ìgbà owó gangan ló máa náà sí pò tán bọ̀ káwa kàn lè rí wípé ọ̀nà wà nínú nǹkan táwa nígbàgbọ́ lé lórí ìrètí ń bẹ àrídájú ń bẹ torí wípé kí ni kò sí nǹkan téèyàn lè fi dápè mọ́ pẹ̀lú nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wọn. Ibo ní ká gbà wọlé náà mo kí wa lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí pakú bójú ọjọ́ ṣe rí mo kí ẹ̀yin ìyá wa mo kí ẹ̀yin bàbá mo kí ẹ̀gbọ́n mo kí àbúrò èmi ọmọ yín náà yín olólùfẹ́ yín ayé ọpẹ́ yọ ẹ̀yin tí ẹ bá ti darapọ̀ mọ́ wa lórí ìkànnì àjùlọ ẹ lọ darapọ̀ mọ́ wa lórí àjùlọ nǹkan míì là ń sọ níbi ẹ tiẹ̀ jẹ́ kí n kọ́kọ́ gba bíbá ìwọlé náà fún àǹfààní ẹ̀yin tí ẹ bá ti rí ibẹ̀ kọ́ ló yẹ ẹ jẹ́ ká gba bí wọlé ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí aláàní ráàrin fẹsẹ̀ sísẹ̀ tọmọtọmọ tẹbí tará torí pé kí ni gbogbo àwa tá a léèyàn ní Nàìjíríà tó bá sùn tó bá jí tó bá gbọ́ nǹkan kan báyìí ọkùnrin máa lo òkè ni àwa náà lẹ́bi ńlẹ̀ alára ńlẹ̀ ṣébó ìmọ̀ àwọn arí náà lélẹ̀ á kí gbogbo àwọn tó sọ wípé a ní kò ní rí báyìí sẹ̀ a ní enough is enough tó jẹ́ wípé wọ́n ṣì ń dù ú báwo ló ṣe máa jẹ́ báwo ló ṣe lè yá á kí wọn wípé ọkù ìfẹ́ ọmọ ènìyàn ṣe agbára lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ojú òní téèyàn kọ̀ọ̀kan nínú wa now ẹ jẹ́ kí n gba bíbá ìwọlé náà.
So it happened that on the 26th of August 2024 I and two of my friends were coming back from Ugeli heading to Owerri, Imo State. So immediately after Tani, around Uji in Bayelsa State, we met police checkpoint. They stopped us, searched our car, checked the particulars of the vehicle. Everything was okay. They said all of us should step down, cross the road to where they parked their van. So when we got there, they asked the two of my friends to give them their phone, which they did. And when they asked me to give them my phone, I refused. I said, I think we've passed this stage in this country. Even the IG said we shouldn't give any policeman our phone on the road. That if they think they want to investigate us or do anything with us. They should take us to the station. Immediately I said that word, they started beating me. That I'm pretty stubborn, maybe I'm a terrorist or whatever. They started beating me, and I said I won't release my phone unless I get to the station. So the beating became too much. They handcuffed me, tied my hand, make sure I had to do it. Like, the thing became very much. Before I look, some of them started shooting guns, like they will kill the three of us and put us inside this bush like we are bad people. So the pressure was much. I had to give them my phone. I opened my phone. Immediately I gave them my phone, the first place the guy went to is to read my message. I did the transaction then with my UBA account. So I've not read the SMS, the debit alert. So immediately he opened it. He saw my balance, 10,017,000 was in the account. Immediately he shouted, "Then them. I was like, "Them what? What did you see?" He put me in the vehicle. They put me in the back of the vehicle. The other two of the policemen, there are 5 policemen in number. They put 2 of the policemen entered our car with my other 2 friends. They were driving behind us. We drove for like 20 minutes along the way. They were beating me in the car. Now this 10 million, I must give them 6 million from it. If not, so they will kill us. I said, "Oh, I can't do that." I said, "Okay, this account now, this 10 million, that money is not my own. It's money I'm using for my younger brother's project. And the FCMB will have 3 million inside." I said, "Yeah, he has seen it. It was going through only my SMS. That's the only thing I was going to say. You have seen it." Yeah. That's my name, and that's my own account. Okay, let's talk about this one. Since I'm going to give you half of what is in this one. Well, let's talk about my own account. He refused. When the beating became too much, and I started negotiating with them. I started with 500,000. The beating became much again. Say, "Are we kids? Who will we give 500,000? Went up to 1.5 million. Beating again continues. At the point, I said, instead of these people to kill me because of this money, and I said, "Okay, well, the last I can give to you guys is 3 million. They now agreed. Collected the 3 million. They said I would give them the 3 million. I said, "Okay." They now gave me back my phone to do the transfer. In fact, they were holding the phone with me to make sure I didn't open another app or do any other thing. Then I was trying to transfer from the FCMB account. I wanted to do 3 million straight. It was giving issues, so I did 2 million from my FCMB account, and I did 1 million from the UBA account. And I said, "Okay." They got to the next village. I said they should drop us here so that I will get my.
You transfer to which account?
Yeah, to Money Point account.
They provided the Money Point. They are with the Money Point account.
Yes, I'm with the account. I have my statement of account.
Okay, you have your statement of account.
Yes,
so can you display it to us?
Yeah, so this is
the statement of account.
Statement of my account.
Sure, display it to the camera.
Yes, at this place now you will see.
What name is there? What name did you transfer it to? What the account detail?
It's a Money Point account. The name is Jerry Ventures.
Jerry Ventures.
I transferred 1 million to Jerry Ventures, and this is the account number of Jerry Ventures.
That's the same account number you transferred the 2 million and 1 million.
No.
Okay, transfer this to 2 accounts.
Yeah, so this other account here. This other account here, I transferred 2 million to this account. There is no name on it, but this one Yusuf. The name is Yusuf.
Let me. Okay.
This on the pillar, but this is it. This is with Yusuf. 2 million. This account.
Money Point Microfinance Bank.
Yes.
POS transfer.
Yeah. So,
okay. So
after which I insisted they should drop me there, so I will take out. They said no, that they have other of their teams along the road. They don't want them to meet us again or extort us again. They have to take us down to Ahoda.
Really?
Yes, they drove us from that place. I was still in their vehicle. We got to Ahoda. They came down. The 2 policemen in the other car came down, joined this car. They made sure I came down. They were ready to move. They just stretched their hand and gave me the 3 phones. That's my phone, that of my 2 friends.
And drove off.
And they drove off.
Imagine.
So that is just it.
So have you made any official complaint to any security agency like the police? Have you made any official complaint?
My barrister did that.
He has written to
to the Bayelsa State
Commissioner of Police.
Yes, the PPRO's office.
Okay, PPRO's office.
Yes.
Has there been any response?
I've not spoken to him today, but yesterday he said he has done it. So, by today.
Okay, so what do you want now? What is your demand? What do you want?
My demand is I want justice. I want my money back, and I want these people to be apprehended so it won't happen to other citizens again. That's my demand. I want justice. I want money back.
So when they say Nadem, what do they actually mean by Nadem?
I don't really know. That Nadem, that guy was saying.
So this transaction was done along the road. You were not taken to any police facility.
I said the vehicle. That's why I did the transaction.
They continuously beating you until
I was about passing out. At the time, I told the one in the front, say, "No, they beat her for you." They were hitting me on my neck, yeah, because I was sitting with one of the police officers at the back. The handcuff is like this, so I'm like this, so he was hitting me here. At the time, he wanted to hit me, I dodged it. His hand hit on the chair, so
Àbúrò ní ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wa, tẹbí tará tìrantìran, eléyìí pọ̀. Báwo làwọn èèyàn yìí fẹ́ ṣe life ní ìlú yẹn? Báwo ni ilé ayé ṣe fẹ́ rí? Now, ẹ má jẹ́ kí n sọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀ jù, mo rò pé gbogbo wa láti gbọ́. Ta ló wá fẹ́ dúró dè, ta ló fẹ́ sá fún nínú ìlú yẹn? Tí ọlọ́pàá bá wà ní checking point, gbogbo ìfúnpá ẹ ti lọ sókè pé ṣó lè ní wọ́n ní tàbọ́lọ́pàá ni? Bó wà ní shut. Wẹ́, a dúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run. Bàbá Awólọ́wọ̀ ti sọ pé tó bá dójú ẹ̀, ẹ̀yin youth, ẹ̀yin èèyàn fúnra wa la máa gbára wa kúrò nínú oko ẹrú. Ó ti fẹ́ẹ̀ débẹ̀ tán. Ẹnu mi ò tún wá gbà mọ́ kí ní protest, kí làbọ̀ protest, kí ni kinní kan, torí pé kí ni ọ̀nà tán bá tún máa wá gbà yọ, ó possible kó fẹ́ le ju èyí tán ti ṣe lọ tẹ́lẹ̀ lọ. Àní ṣe kòńgẹ́ aburú, àní ṣe kòńgẹ́ aburú tọmọtọmọ o. Eléyìí pọ̀, àní ṣe kékeré leléyìí o. Ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀síwájú. Now, ẹ jẹ́ lọ wòye tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Èkó.
Ẹgá ló ti ṣẹlẹ̀ o, mọ́tò ọ̀hún náà rèé o. Mọ́tò èèyàn ti ṣá dẹ́rẹ́bà pa, ó ti sá lọ, gbogbo èrò inú mọ́tò ti sá lọ, Èkó ló tọ́nu ẹ̀ olórí long bridge. Ẹ gbà wá gbé yìí, máa pa wá díẹ̀díẹ̀ o. Ẹ ṣàánú wá o ẹ̀yin èèyàn. Mọ́tò èèyàn ti ṣá dẹ́rẹ́bà pa, ó ti sá lọ o. Àwọn là ń wá ní ugbó yìí o. Ọ̀dẹ̀ kọjá bí báyìí. Ọ̀n kọjá bí o. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ ìlú. Ẹ ṣàánú wá láyé o. Ṣàánú wá o. Eléyìí ó kọjá bẹ́ẹ̀ o, bọ́n ṣe ń yẹn ní last week náà yẹn o.
Kí ni àbúrò ò ní ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wa o? Èyí tó ń ṣe yìí, ṣùgbọ́n jẹ́ kó jẹ́ pé kó máa ṣe pẹ́ àti orí tẹ́lẹ̀ o. Ọlọ́pàá bá wọn lò. Nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí mo witness ẹ̀ bóyá bíi 10-12 years ago. Mo lọ Nàìjíríà ńgbà náà ni. Mo ti sọ dáadáa lórí program mi. Ní express Ìbàdàn yẹn ni èmi fúnra mi báyìí mo fojú mi rí. Ọlọ́run ló lé mi kọ́ mo drive. Mo rí wọn báyìí, mo rò pé àwọn ọlọ́dẹ tán kọjá ni. Làbúrò mi tó drive ni àǹtí mi ó lé ni wọ́n. Ṣó lè nìyẹn most náà yìí pé wọ́n gbà yẹn wọ́n kí ìgbà tá a máa kúrò tá a máa padà débẹ̀ tá a rí bí escape. Mo ti sọ dáadáa lórí program tá a rí bí escape. Àbúrò mi yẹn yìí ó insist wípé a ṣáà lọ síbi tá a lọ yìí, a fẹ́ lọ Ìbàdàn lọ́jọ́ náà lọ́hùn ni, a dẹ̀ fẹ́ lọ meet àwọn èèyàn kan pẹ̀lú appointment. Jẹ́ a lọ, a sọ nǹkan tó ṣe, àǹtí mi ẹ má worry, lóòótọ́ ló jẹ mọ̀ ọmọ bọ́n ti mọ gbogbo bọ́n ṣe rìnrìn wọn. Tá a máa fi padà gbọ̀nà Ṣàgámù padà lọ tán padà yẹn àwọn mọ́tò ti wọ́n ti wá, àwọn ọlọ́pàá ti wá dá wọn dúró. Àwọn ọlọ́pàá yẹn wá ní kó má worry pé wọ́n máa wọnú igbó, wọ́n máa ṣe kinní kan, bóyá àwọn ara wọn ni. Lọ́rọ̀ kan ìgbà tá a máa dé the same spot tí nǹkan yẹn tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ yẹn, ẹ ti rí mọ́tò bíi 4-5 wọ́n ti ṣá gbogbo ẹ̀ lójú wa kòrókòrò báyìí. Mo rí báyìí kò ń ṣe fíìmù. Ní àwọn tán wà níwájú tí bọ̀bọ́ yẹn bọ́ sílẹ̀, wọn ò tí ì ṣe ọ̀nà yẹn. Nígbà yẹn àwọn ọ̀nà tó wà láàárín méjì yẹn ẹ sì lè tẹ bá ń bọ̀ láti Ṣàgámù, ẹ lè decide láti padà sí Ìbàdàn tẹ máa gbanú ẹ mọ̀ ibẹ̀ yẹn jìn wọ ó jìn lọ sínú báyìí ìyẹn àárín méjì títì yẹn understand sí accident oríṣiríṣi ló máa ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ńbẹ̀ àwọn àyè kan wà ńbẹ̀ tó jẹ́ pé mọ́tò lè ti ìgbà tán tí mo ń sọ̀rọ̀ bóyá bíi 12 years ago ń sìn ni yeah more than that gan bóyá bíi 12-15 years ago yeah ẹ wo èyí tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Long Bridge ó yìí ń ṣẹlẹ̀ up to date yín òun ṣe 10 years kò ń ṣe kinní kan years eléyìí ò sì lè ju bíi 3 years lọ ń sìn mo lọ sí Èkó lọ́sàn-án gan ọ̀sán gan ni mi ò mọ nǹkan tó kankan ló ṣe mọ́tò tá a gbé jáde ní Long Bridge yẹn ni o mo dúró síbẹ̀ báyìí mò ń wò bí ẹni tó bá kọjá gan tó bá rí mi àwẹ̀ pé ẹni tó dúró ìṣòwò òkè mò ń wò bí ẹni wọ́n ti jí gbé already ọ̀hún tí ì gbé bọ̀ ó ń wò báyìí bí ìgbà tó jẹ́ pé oh my god mọ́tò tó fẹ́ wá gbé wa kó tètè dé o ọlọ́run ò ṣàánú o lọ́sàn-án gan-an lórí Long Bridge yìí ni o bìkọ́ a rí eléyìí ń sìn kó dàbí pé alẹ́ náà ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀síwájú aburú ò ní ṣe wá o kò ní ṣe ẹbí wa kò ní ṣe ara wa Nàìjíríà burúkú máa ní ṣẹlẹ̀ sí èmi àti yín.
Go forest. If kidnappers can have POS machine, if kidnappers can have POS machine, you can imagine how the country and where the country is going. So,
ìgbà tí ọlọ́pàá bá ń sọ fún yín wípé ibi tí country ń lọ àwọn gan mọ̀ pé àwọn gan ò save ẹ tẹ́tí bẹ̀lẹ̀ jẹ́ kẹ́ gbọ́ o títí sí alágbo náà sì wà ń bí o bóyá ẹ lè mọ lédì kan tán pè ní sí alágbo lórí ayélujára ìyẹn náà wà ń bí báyìí náà o ìgbà tí ọlọ́pàá bá ń sọ wípé àwọn gan ọ̀rọ̀ gan ò yé àwọn mọ́ ẹ ì máa rí ẹ jẹ́ ká máa gbọ́ lọ ẹ jẹ́ ká máa gbọ́ lọ.
you can see they have POS. Dangwari knows how it's been operated. This one. This is the ransom we collected from Dangwari. He's the leader he's in charge of 4 groups of kidnappers in Gidandogo Forest, in Kuyeri Forest, in Kagaruko Forest. He is in charge. This is part of the ransom we recovered from him. He's in the camp. We saw this uniform. You can see this is a policeman uniform. Is this okay? You can see what they have. This is police uniform. It's even maybe we are trying to find out where this policeman is serving. Let us know if they killed him or whatever that happened to him. But this is his uniform.
Beyond the rent.
Day before yesterday, we woke up and with a news that retired Brigadier General Uwem Harold Udokure was murdered. And from his house by armed robbers or whatever they call themselves. We assured the family yesterday that we are going to get the killers by the grace of God. Today and now, I want to inform you that we have gotten the killers of retired Brigadier General Uwem Udokure Harold.
Ṣẹ́gbọ́n, ó promise wọn pé àwọn máa get rid, àwọn máa get wọn. Ṣọ́n get wọn tàbí wọ́n get wọn. But tó bá jẹ́ ọmọ tí kò lé nìyàn, ọmọ tí ò lé nìyàn, ọmọ à ń bẹ lọ́hùn. Wọ́n kàn máa count ẹ̀ ní wípé òkè ní oṣù báyìí ṣáwọn ti ẹ̀ ní ni ṣáwọn ti ẹ̀ níbi tó ń tò sí ni. Ẹni tó ń jí, short. Kò nǹkan tó lè tún lé ayé Áfíríkà ṣe kí Yorùbá ti bọ́. Tí Yorùbá bá ti bọ́ kúrò nínú oko ẹrú yẹn, gbogbo Áfíríkà ti gbòmìnira. Àìjẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀, èmi ò túmọ̀ nǹkan tó tún lè burú ju nǹkan tí à ń fojú tá à ń gbọ́ tá à ń rí yìí lọ. Mi ò túmọ̀ nǹkan tá a tún lè sọ wípé àìjẹ́ kí ló tún máa wá ṣẹlẹ̀. Ibi tán ti ń ta odindi orí èèyàn ní 50,000 tán ti ń ta odindi ọmọ 250. Níbi tán ti sọ pé àwọn ń ta wọ́n lórúkọ tó ń pe oríṣiríṣi ara tán ta oní 100 naira nínú ẹ̀, wọ́n ra ẹsẹ̀, olórúkọ tó ń pe ẹsẹ̀, olórúkọ tó ń pe ọwọ́. Kí la wá fẹ́ sọ wípé ó máa burú jù báyìí lọ? Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá mi fi sínú comment section. Ẹ bá mi fi sínú comment section. Eléyìí ò ní ṣẹlẹ̀ sí mi àti yín o, kò ní ṣẹlẹ̀ sí àwọn tá a mọ̀ àti ẹni tá à tiẹ̀ mọ̀ gan, torí àpèrò aburú fún èèyàn. Tó bá jọ́mọ tí ò lénìyàn ni, ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ sí tí ẹ ti gbé nìyẹn, ó ti lọ nìyẹn, c'est fini, ó ti lọ nìyẹn, ó ti tán nìyẹn.
Ibrahim Rabiu. Ibrahim, get up. Nafiu Jamil. Aliu Abdullahi. And Mohammed Nuhu. 4 of them, plus 2 others that we are declaring wanted now, immediately. We are the people who raided. 4 of them plus the 2 we are declaring wanted are the people that raided the house and killed the general. We have recovered the knife they used in stabbing him, and we have recovered the phone of the general from them. Okay. 2 of them that have been declared wanted, we are getting them. They have just left with the gun of the pistol of the general, which I promise you we are going to recover. And they are here. You can talk to them. They have confessed to how they did it one by one and whatever action they did. I want to thank all of you. Secondly, there are some kidnappers that we have been looking for, who have been to Gauraka in Niger State, Gauraka Forest in Niger State, who have been to Gidandogo Forest in Kaduna State, who have been to Kuyeri Forest in Kaduna State, who have been to Kagaruko Forest and Mountains in Kaduna State, who have been to Sadana Forest in Nasrawa, where we went to chase these kidnappers, and in their territory, in their camps, and we have confidently dislodged them. And what we saw there is the people, I'm going to call their name now. We arrested Isa Muhammad Ibrahim. Isa Ibrahim Muhammad is there. I will show you. Look at the one on yellow dress. He's an escapee from Kuje prison. He has been involved into kidnapping since 2022. Unarrested, undetected, but we have arrested him. Nasiru Muhammad. Nasiru, we call him Danger.
Torí pé ó pa ọ̀gá wọn láti ìgbà tó ti ń ṣe, tó bá pé irú iṣẹ́ báyìí náà ló ṣe, wọn ò fẹ́ ṣeṣẹ́ ni. Àní Babangida ti sọ, ó ní táwọn ajínigbé adàlúrú tó wá lò 6 months tíjọba ò lè mú wọn wálẹ̀, ó ní ẹ gbàgbé ẹ̀, wọ́n jọ ń ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn ni. Ẹ̀yin náà ẹ gbọ́ láti 2002 títí dìsìnyí ọ̀n rí mú, wọ́n ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń rí wípé àtìgbà yẹn ló ti ń ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn, bọ̀ ìgbà tó pa ọ̀gá wọn wọ́n wá jáde. Ìyẹn lẹ máa mọ̀ wípé olè ló mọṣẹ́ olè tọ̀. Òun ni ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ọlọ́pàá Nàìjíríà, ámì gbogbo wọn. Ta la fẹ́ sá fún, ta la fẹ́ dúró dè, ẹ sọ fún mi. Ṣọ́lọ́pàá ni ká rí o, ká dúró ni o, ṣé ámì ni o? ṣé any one gbogbo wọn pátápátá ta la fẹ́ ta fún, ta la fẹ́ dúró dè.
He's there. I'm going to show you. Look at him there. The one that young man that raised his hand up with James. He had been the person responsible for supplying everything they need in their camp. Drugs, medicine. We caught him where he was coming into the camp. He didn't know we have taken over the camp, where he was bringing what they ordered for them. So we picked him. He has been very useful. He has received 400,000 from them, 300,000 from them as his share. Whenever there is kidnapping anywhere, you can talk to him. They have been involved in different terrorisms and acts of kidnapping and banditry. There's one there, Sunday Musa, Dangware. This one we call Dangware. The one that raised her. He's a Gwari man, but he is their chief informant in the whole kidnapping in Abuja. He is responsible and manning 4 camps of kidnappers that are not in Abuja. Whether the camp is in Kuyeri, in Gidandogo, in Kagaruko, he is in charge of pointing who and who to be kidnapped. He receives his own share of the ransom. So we caught him. He will tell you about.
Ṣebí torí wípé ẹni tán pa ni. Ṣebí torí pé ẹni tán pa ni. Ó yẹ kẹ́ fi ọwọ́ bojú yín. Ẹ̀yin ọlọ́pàá Nàìjíríà. Ó yẹ kẹ́ fọwọ́ bojú ni. Ṣebí torí ẹni tán pa ni. Tó bá jẹ́ à ń bẹ lọ́run. Èèyàn tó kàn pa nǹkan kan mẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́, tó kàn pa báàgì mẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ tó wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ títì. Tẹ́ ń gbọ́ lójoojúmọ́. Mo rí téèyàn kan ní àwọn lọ sí police station, wọ́n fẹ́ lọ ṣe statement nǹkan kan. Wọ́n ní kò síná. Wọ́n ní kó padà wá láàárọ̀. Because wọ́n fi idea fẹ́ tún béèrè wípé ẹ fún wa lówó epo ká lọ ra petrol so that a lè fi fa gen. Níbi tí ọlọ́pàá náà ti ń so shade tán ti ń gbé ẹ̀jẹ̀ ní wọn sínú ọ́fíìsì káwọn olè rólè tó ọlọ́pàá náà ló máa jí lọ. Òun ló mọ̀ gbàtà. Oh my God. Ọlọ́run, àwọn kan wá ní Ọlọ́run paná Adébọrẹ́. Ṣé ti rí Adébọrẹ́ ń sìn? Ọlọ́run bá wa paná ìjọba tó ní àwọn èèyàn lára yìí ló yẹ kẹ́ máa sọ. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́lẹ̀ kọ́lọ́run paná Adébọrẹ́. Ibẹ̀ yẹn kọ́ là ń lọ lọ́jọ́ títí òní. Ẹ jẹ́ a sún síwájú. Ẹ jẹ́ a sáré tún lọ gbọ́ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Títí Alágbo kẹ́ lè mọ̀ wípé láti trust èèyàn ń sìn ẹ̀rù kan tiẹ̀ wá ń bàyàn ní pé ṣáyé náà ṣàlélẹ̀ ìṣá. Ó mà ga o. Nah.
To copy a video. So there is this trending video of a lady that impersonated Titi Alagbo. She created WhatsApp, opened bank accounts, and created a Facebook account and impersonated Titi Alagbo. So she was always going to her main page to copy a video and post on Facebook. So she was taking orders from customers. Customers never knew that they were not chatting with Titi Alagbo. They were paying to her, they were placing orders. But I think I have a question here. How was she able to open those bank accounts? Is BVN not a requirement if you want to open an account? Or what exactly is happening here? And I think this is a really sad one, and it is a bad market for, online business owners, because customers now will be so scared to start placing orders online. Let me show you the video.
ẹni tó ń lójú mi tó impersonate mi tó hack Facebook mi àti WhatsApp àwọn ọlọ́pàá ní Ìyàgànkù wọ́n ti bá mi mú o Ìkòròdú ló ti arrest ẹ̀ wọ́n dẹ̀ ti transfer case yẹn wá sí Ìbàdàn ẹ bá mi dúpẹ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin fáǹsì mi ẹ jẹ́ pàdó tì mí o ẹ bá mi dúpẹ́ o ṣe.
My name is Chizuracho. I was the one that created Facebook account with Titi Alagbo name. I created Facebook account and WhatsApp number with Titi Alagbo name. I created a bank account with her name. Tell us what have you been doing with the WhatsApp? I'll be chatting with our customers.
Do you have any relationship with Sisi Alagbo?
No, ma.
No. So what did Sisi Alagbo do to you that made you to create a WhatsApp in her name, open bank account in her name, and open a Facebook account in her name? Why? Why did you do that?
It was a mistake.
It was a mistake. Okay, so can you tell us the name of the banks that you opened in the name of Eniola Fagbemi?
Mistake.
Wema Bank. Famous Microfinance Bank.
And Famous Microfinance Bank. Okay, what about the UBA account also that you were using before you created Famous Bank account?
UBA account was not in her. It's not in her name.
Okay, it was not in her name, but you disguised as Sisi Alagbo on Facebook, and you were posting everything that you saw on her page, on that particular page, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You also created a WhatsApp account, and you were using that WhatsApp to chat with her customers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. So after you created a Facebook account in Sisi Alagbo's name, you posted a WhatsApp number. Can you call out the number on WhatsApp that you have been using to chat with Sisi Alagbo's customers?
Yes, 091 27 59 10 12.
Okay, 091 27 59 10 12. That's the WhatsApp number that you have been using, and people have been chatting you. They have been making payments to you, and some you blocked some on WhatsApp. And also some customers reached out to us that you sent some things to them. And when they used it, it was not what they needed, you know, and those things affected them. How come? How did you come about those things you were sending to the customers?
I bought the help from one Alabo.
Where did you buy them from?
From my place I live in Ikorodu.
You live in Ikorodu, a Greek?
Yes.
All right. So what do you want to say to Sisi Alagbo's customers, those that have bought something from you and you have blocked them, you collected money from some people and you blocked them? What do you have to say to them?
I want to apologize to Sisi Alagbo's customers.
No, mo kí wa lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí pa bójú ọjọ́ ṣe rí. Ọ̀rọ̀ náà kì í. Èyí tí àwọn ìjọba tó máa fi wá mójútó tó mọ̀ wípé aláwọn ọlọ́pàá wo ló fẹ́ sá fún, ló fẹ́ dúró dè. Tàbí ẹ̀rí nǹkan tó ń ṣe fún the first video tí mo kọ́kọ́ gbé wá yẹn ni. Ẹ̀rí nǹkan tó ń ṣe fún bọ̀bọ́ yẹn. Ó nígbà tóun rí pé mi ti fẹ́ kúrò lára òun lòun fi wípé lòun wò wípé ló mú fóònù ẹ̀ sílẹ̀ lọ́n fi transfer owó. Ṣáwọn pípò yìí ṣé wọn gbọ́? Ṣèjọba ò gbọ́? Ìgbà tó tiẹ̀ jẹ́ wípé nǹkan tó ní ará ìlú lára, ọ̀nà tó ń gbà ṣe jàǹbá fún ará ìlú, ìjọba Nàìjíríà ní news kankan ò gbọ́dọ̀ gbé. Ẹ wá wo èyí tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní UK lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yìí. Ìwọ tó bá gbọ́ news ní September tá a wà nínú ẹ̀ yìí, any news tó jẹ́ ti news UK, ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn tó ń dá fóònù everywhere òun ló ń sọ. Wọ́n dẹ̀ dá ọlọ́pàá síta. Kámẹ́rà wà, CCTV wà everywhere. Wọ́n tún ti wá dá ọlọ́pàá síta débi wípé ọlọ́pàá wọ́n ti advise àwọn èèyàn wípé put your phone in your bag. Wọ́n fi wọ̀n wá. Ṣé mo pé àwọn ọlọ́pàá community ọlọ́pàá náà wà? Nígbà summer ó máa ń ṣẹlẹ̀ tó jẹ́ pé àwọn ọlọ́pàá ní àwọn ibòmíì gan wọ́n máa àwọn ibòmíì hàn kí n lo mọ́tò, àwọn bíi méjì mẹ́ta tó máa rìn wọ gbogbo àwọn kọ́nà, wọ́n máa fẹsẹ̀ rìn ní o in case city. Ìgbà míì wà wọ́n lè ṣe good 24 hours bẹ́ẹ̀ tó máa fẹsẹ̀ máa rìn kiri. Wọ́n lè mú èèyàn méjì mẹ́ta tó máa jẹ́ pé by one way or the other tó máa rí nǹkan kan lọ́wọ́ wọn ṣá. Kí làwọn pípọ̀ yìí kí ló ní tó wa? Kí ló ní tó wa? Bọ̀ ayé ó fi ń hàn wípé ọpọlọ ló ń lò. Àdúrà kọ́, a lọ sí àjì kọ́, a lọ sí múra kọ́. Ọpọlọ àti nǹkan tó ń ní ọmọ bọ́n ṣe manage ẹ̀. Tó wọ́n manage ẹ̀ náà ni wọ́n tún fi ṣoore fáwọn foreigner. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn ló jẹ́ pé ilé adúró náà wà. Oúnjẹ ọmọ wọn ń lo iná ọ̀fẹ́. Àwọn ọlọ́pàá ó ń gbọ́. àwọn pípò yìí ń gbọ́, àwọn adarí yìí ń gbọ́, bọ́ ibòmíì náà lọ. Àwọn nǹkan tó fi ń gún wa lọ́wọ́ máa gbé wá ń sìn. Wọ́n bá ti fi yẹn gún wọn lọ́wọ́, àwọn tó fi ń gún lọ́wọ́ ni o. Wọ́n bá ti fi ṣe shut up your mouth, ó ti tán. Kí n tó gbé wá, ẹ jẹ́ ká sáré gbé fídíò mi wá. Táìmì ẹ̀ ń ṣe ló ń sá lọ pápápá ni.
We be businessman. All of them na juju then they do. You understand? If you look at all of them, you go see this one wetin they call am. Okay, you go see Akwokoko there. You go see Obele da Kolokolo. This one said that all of them.
Ẹ máa rí ọlọ́pàá náà bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Ẹ máa rí kí la ṣe kí lọ́mọ Nàìjíríà kí lọ́n ṣe fún ọlọ́pàá Nàìjíríà. Torí ọlọ́pàá gangan fúnra ra wọn. Àwọn kò dé tọ́jú ọlọ́pàá ṣẹ́jọ́ àwọn ẹjọ́ wọn ni. Ẹjọ́ ìjọba ni. Ṣọlọ́pàá ló gbára ẹ̀ síbẹ̀ ni. Ṣọlọ́pàá ló ń ṣe òfin ni. Ká bá sọ ọlọ́pàá ká tún sọ àwọn tó ń ṣe òfin. Ṣé wọn kì í gbọ́ gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí? Irú àwọn olówó ogbó tó ń ṣílẹ̀kùn fólè yìí tó hàn mọ bí owó yẹn ṣe jẹ́. Ọlọ́pàá náà because
You see here now, native doctor, all of them. And how did they do be say? Any of them will get occasion. Then they give them 1 million naira each. If you get occasion, even if not bed, any occasion will be say they do for the year, they will give you 1 million. They are about 10 in number. Now you see say EFCC don't make them now. Everybody don't they learn. They know they scatter money before, like then they scatter them up everywhere, scatter money. Now they don't they drop them by bundle. This one now one of them where they do birthday. So as in they celebrate birthday, now they come visit them. See Akwokoko. Now him be their president. And all of them are billionaires. But where their money they come from? Now I don't know. Some they say now why then they do people. Some say their work they well. But any which way, make you no envy any man at all for this life. Because you don't know how intake get the money where they chop. So for people where we say they will see where then they spray money, then they say, God, why not be me? Why not be me? If not you, or if you see what they do, person no go tell you say make you come off body. Now who never go, now him be say if they go, him go say they put them for waka. So but as you see them now, na juju be their work. All these old kids the way they hear, and then they do them for Anambra State for people. Now them, all of them where you see here, na native doctor, all of them. Since army boy, now they pay.
Irú àwọn eléyìí ń sìn táwọn boys mi bá rí wọn máa rò pé bóyá wọn ò dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé nǹkan tó wà lẹ́yìn ọ̀fà ó ju èje lọ. Oh my God. Ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ wo nǹkan tíjọba Nàìjíríà ìgbọ́n tán good sí ìyá àti ìdúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́.
So here you have 2 trailers of rice. Here is another one. There's 2 trailers of rice here. This is 400 bags. Can you see the rest? All in all, we have 4 trailer load of rice. That's 600. That is 6 times 4, 2,400 bags of rice.
Thank you, my father. The special assistant to the president on social media confirmed it on Kushegun Dada. He said that each rep member got rice worth 100 million naira to distribute, and that each senator got rice worth 200 million naira to distribute in their constituencies. Now, knowing Nigeria, they will give them the option.
Rice làwọn good fún láti máa pín. Rice, ìjọba rice ló yẹ ká máa pè wọ́n sẹ́. Ìjọba rice. Èwo la tún rí ẹ tún bá wa wo ilé. Kò sí security nínú ìlú yẹn. Kò tiẹ̀ sí nǹkan tó dùn yàn jù ń bẹ̀ ní wípé bó dọ́dọ̀ ọlọ́pàá kò sí security, bó dọ́dọ̀ army kò sí security, bó wà nínú ilé ẹ̀. Ọlọ́run ò gbólójú ẹ wà ìyà yìí pọ̀ k'Ọlọ́run bá wa bí kó ya oníkálukú sọ́tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀. Mo kí wa pé akúbójú ọjọ́ ṣe rí, mo kẹ́yìn ìyá, mo kẹ́yìn bàbá, mo kí ẹ̀gbọ́n, mo kí àbúrò. Ẹ̀yin tí ẹ mọ̀dí tá ṣe ń lọgun, tá fi ń lose ohùn wa, tóhùn wa fi ń crack, tó fi ń ṣe kọ́rọ́rọ́. ìdí lélẹ́yìí wípé àwọn ìdí wípé kò ń ṣe 100% 250% la fi qualify wípé ó yẹ kó ní kálukú ṣe kíni kó ní kálukú kó dórúkọ bàbá ẹ̀ torí wọn lè rí ṣe èpè kọ́. Ẹ bá wa fi kọ́mẹ̀ntì tí náà sílẹ̀, ojú wo lẹ fi wò ó? Ta ló fẹ́ bá àwọn ọlọ́pàá yìí sọ? Kí la fẹ́ ṣe pẹ̀lú ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ọlọ́pàá, ọ̀rọ̀ security? Because wọ́n mọ̀ wípé wọ́n ń lo àwọn èèyàn kan ni àwọn people yìí mọ̀. Èyí tó máa fi mú owó gidi kán gbé sílẹ̀, báwo náà ṣe lè ṣe security? Wọ́n pretend ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pọ̀ gbọ́. Wọ́n tún ní kí news má gbé. Ẹgbẹ́ ẹni tó ṣe fídíò lórí Long Bridge, ó ní kán gba àwọn kan tó pa àwọn tán. Yeah, láti point wà nínú ẹ̀ torí pé àwọn people yìí, ọ̀hún tí ẹ̀ka point ní Nàìjíríà gan. Ọ̀ka scores. Wọ́n ní scores pé èèyàn báyìí ló kú lénìí, èèyàn báyìí ní Boko Haram pa, èèyàn báyìí náà kò sí kankan. Wẹ́ mo kí wa lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí papọ̀ bójú ọjọ́ ṣe rí. Ẹ bá wa share ètò yìí, ẹ bá wa like, ẹ bá wa fi comment tí náà sílẹ̀. Tó bá jẹ́ nígbà àkọ́kọ́, ẹ má gbàgbé láti subscribe. Mo lọ fún ìsinmi bí mo ṣe wà yìí torí voice mi ó nídìí wọ́n ní kí n lọ sinmi. Àwọn meeting kan wà gan, wọ́n bá pè mí sí gan, pàápàá máa sọ fún wọn pé voice mi ó ń sọ fún mi pé kí n lọ fún holiday. Yes, mo ń lọ fún holiday. Tí n bá ti débi tí mo lọ holiday, máa jẹ́ kẹ́ gbọ́. Ìpàdé wa bí oyin o, God bless you. A kó ìfojúsọ́nà tàbí ìpalẹ̀mọ́ ìkan nínú méjèèjì bá mi mu. Àìdá ìfojúsọ́nà àkópalẹ̀mọ́ ti Chief Sunday Igboho Ṣàwó Bàbá Dami. Kọ́lọ́run jẹ́ kí ọjọ́ náà kó bá wa láyé, kó bá wa láyé. Ẹ fẹ́ ra tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì, ẹ fẹ́ gbọ́ more information, ẹ pè mí or ẹ pè any one of us or kẹ́ lọ wo more information tẹ́ bá fẹ́ gbọ́ sí lórí Yorùbá World Media or lọ́dọ̀ Koiki. Ojú wa kò ní rí bí o, èrè lójú owó ń rí. Àdúrà wa gba ojú òní tiwa. Èmi ọmọ yín náà ni olólùfẹ́ yín Àyè Ọpẹ́yọ. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá ti mọ Àjùlọ TV, ẹ lọ sí Àjùlọ TV kẹ́ lọ wo nǹkan tá à ń ṣe ń bẹ̀. Ẹ má gbàgbé láti subscribe tẹ́ bá lọ síbẹ̀. Àwọn nǹkan ọ̀tọ̀ là ń sọ ń bẹ̀, ọlọ́tọ̀ lóhun ọ̀tọ̀. Lágbára lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ojú òní tiwa. God bless you. Bye for now.
You're welcome. Kindly subscribe to YouTube channel and follow on Facebook page at Dr. Zabby's Talk Show.